Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's Tool Talk is going to be a tool haul video, and more specifically a Klein Tools tool haul, and even more specific than that is an Amazon Klein Tools tool haul. So here lately, Lowe's has kind of been that, break open the new tools at their store first, then it might trickle out other places. Maybe Acme Tools might have pre-orders, and then after a little while, you might start to see them on Amazon. Occasionally, Home Depot still has something. Everything that I have here, I bought on Amazon. Some of them are older tools, some of them are newer tools. Some of them you can get at Lowe's, some of them you can only get on Amazon. But I'm going to go through them all, and just to let you know that they're out there and the prices, why I bought them, those kinds of things. Again, just as a tool haul, more so than a tool review video. I'm just going to go over what I bought and kind of what their purpose is. And for the most part, it's going to be the review of these because there's really not more you could say about them. But we're going to go ahead and jump into these. We'll look at them one by one. And again, just to help you know that they're out there and maybe they're the right tool for you. That's the idea behind this video. But let's go ahead and jump into these. So the first one is nothing new by far. It is just a flip blade set. So maybe you've got the insulated multi Klein tool screwdriver. I really like this screwdriver. You can just flip around. They also have some longer fixed blades where it's just one on one side and then all this extra length kind of works out of the screwdriver, but you only get one bit. But this is a flippable bit. The one that comes with this one is Phillips 2 and then a slotted, I think it's 1/4 inch. I think maybe they also have one where you can buy it with the square. But since I already had the handle, I've been wanting these for a while. I picked up this set, and this isn't new. This is something you can get at Lowe's or anywhere else as well. But again, I'll put links for everything in the description in different places. But this is the 13157. It is their interchangeable screwdriver blades. It's basically the set of blades that works with this one for $19.99. You get basically the blade that comes with this screwdriver, so I'm getting an extra one of those. But you also get a Phillips 1 and a 3/16 slotted, and the main reason why I bought this one was for the square 1 and square 2 on that same blade. I'm hoping one day that they will come out with a combi, as far as what Klein calls it, a combo, or the Milwaukee ECX type, where it is the ECX 1 and 2 on one of these. But right now this square 1, square 2 is going to work for me for that. I currently carry two Vera screwdrivers, one that's square 1 and square 2, but I'm going to switch over to this handle to save a little bit of space and just leave this set up as the square 1 and square 2 to use in those situations. So that's why I bought that. Again, that's older. You all probably already know about that one. We'll get into now the tools that, again, I've only seen some of these on Amazon. They could be at your Lowe's. They're not at mine. And it deals all with the flip socket, whether it's the actual flip sockets like this type or the deep wells like I've had a video for before. Because previously I had a video for this set. This is that SAE. It's the 35238. This one's going to run you like $45 on Amazon. I think that's the same price on Lowe's, but it's just SAE. Comes with a ratchet, some different shafts for your flip sockets and things like that. In that mod box, I didn't have any other mod boxes to try that out whenever I reviewed that, so I wanted to pick up one of these, and this has some really good sizes and stuff in it. I also have a video for the metric flip socket. At the time whenever I had that video, this was not even released yet. It was pre-order on Acme. I know some of you ordered it through them. Well, it is now available on Amazon for $19.99. So again, I don't know that my Lowe's doesn't have it. Maybe yours does. But for $19.99, you can now pick this one up on Amazon. And then also that small flip socket. This is the smallest one. So if you want to have the most compact, it's on that what they're calling a 2-inch shaft. It's the closest that you can get as far as to your impact, just so you don't have a long shaft. That's now also available for $10 on Amazon, so you can get that 1/4 inch and 5/16. So all the things that I've had in the video that Klein sent me out, they sent me these. These are now available on Amazon. And I will have links in the description for all these things, but everything that I'm about to show you, I purchased of my own money. These are things that I bought for myself. So the first thing that I bought is the metric 1.5 inch 2-in-1 impact flip socket. So basically the 5/16 and 1/4 inch that I just showed you. Part number on this one is 32931M. So this one is also going to run you $10, but it's the metric sizes instead of the 1/4 inch and 5/16. So if you want a smaller shaft, but you've already got a lot of 1/4 inch and 5/16, maybe you could buy this one, and then you'll have you a metric 8 and 10. And another main reason why I bought this is because the metric flip socket, as far as if you buy it in this whole kit, it is a 7, 8, and then a 10 and a 12. So now this 8 and 10 is actually a different combination of sizes than what you'll actually get if you buy this. And that 8 and 10 is probably going to be more useful to me. So even if I just wanted another shaft, a smaller shaft, and I can put whatever I want to on it, I wanted this socket right here because this is different than the one that you actually get on your flip socket. So again, if you're somebody who normally uses a 7 and an 8 and maybe not a 10 and a whatever the other size is, a 10 and a 12, I believe. Yeah, so if you use a combination of 7 and 8 more often, you'll want to get this one, but maybe you always use 8 and 10. This might be a size that you want to pick up just to get this socket alone. So that's a good deal on that one. Again, $9 for that one. So that's one of the first things that I picked up. Again, part number on that one's 32931M, but I'll have links for all these. The next thing I picked up is a 4-piece impact rated flip socket hex shaft set. Part number's 32944. This is going to run you $19.99, and I'm glad to see this by Klein because I'm interested to see what else they come out with in the individual. So this is basically just a set of every size flip socket shaft that you can get, all the way up to 6.5 inches. You got a 6.5, a 5, a 3.5, and a 2. I'm hoping by seeing this, maybe we're also going to see some individual sockets being sold, because basically if you break your shaft but you've got a bunch of sockets, this gives you the ability to buy for the same price as buying you a whole flip socket. You can get every size shaft out there that's available so that you can make up whatever you want to. So again, you can take all these out of the package here. Let me get them out real fast. And they're all, each one's just different sizes, different lengths. That's going to let you basically build up. Maybe you only use two or three sizes and you want to be more compact. Again, you can go with something like this, or you can take this long one here and I mean really load it up with multiple sockets, more than you can fit on just the original smallest one. So you can sit there and keep adding to it. Let's see how many of them I got out here. So right now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sockets on that one. I could still put it in my impact. I mean, is that getting crazy long and probably heavy? Absolutely. But, you know, if you're building you up something to take in somewhere, or if you just want to use one flip socket but you need longer reach to get in somewhere, again, it's just more options. Now that I'm seeing all the flip socket, you know, products that they're coming out with, having the extra shafts and things like that's going to be pretty useful in my opinion. So that's why I went ahead and bought this pack that has every single size. Again, $20, part number 32944. That's the next thing that I bought. And the last thing I bought was this Klein KNect set. The part number on this one is 65239. It is their Flip 20 Deep Well Heavy Duty Socket Set. It's impact rated. Again, SAE sizes, also metric sizes, all in one package. Again, this one here is just SAE, but this one's got a lot of different things in it. Let me go ahead and get it out of the package here. And it's a bigger box, obviously, because it's got a lot more in it than what this one is. But even though it's a different size box, this still works. As far as connecting together, you can see the feet on this box. You've got 2 slots right here. You put those feet into that box. It snaps down into place. And the nice thing about these boxes, again, everybody's seen these by now. Y'all have even seen this set, I'm sure. There's lots of videos. But, you know, I can still even open this bottom box and access it without removing that top box. Clamp that down, same thing. Open this top box. So you can kind of build your kit out however you want to. As far as the sizes that you get in this, let me go ahead and take this box off. Let me go ahead and open this up. And this one, another thing about this is you can pick this one up at Lowe's, but on Amazon it's like $82. I believe it's $99 at Lowe's, so you save some money buying this through Amazon if it's something that you're interested in. But it's basically all the SAE sizes that I have in this box, plus some more. Again, we open this up. Let me spin these around. I've got all the sizes flipped over now so that you'll be able to see them. So again, you've got 11/16, 13/16, 5/8, and 3/4. Those are all sizes that are not included in the SAE of this set right here. And then you get into 1/2 inch, 9/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16. Those 3 are the ones that are in that set. And so again, that one's $45. So just for 40 more bucks, you're getting everything else that's in here besides what I mentioned. But you also do get a ratchet inside that set. As far as metric sizes and the combination of them, you have an 8 and a 10, a 9 and 11, 12 and 14, 13 and 15, and then 16 and 18. You also get the shaft that is I think it's a 3.5 inch shaft, and then you also get that 6.5 inch shaft, so the longest of the bunch. And you get an adapter that works with a 3/8 ratchet. So this also works with that 3/8 pass-through set, which I don't have, but this is not the right size to work with your Impact 11-in-1 because that's this 1/4 inch size right here. So you can see the difference between those. So this one's actually going to work on a 3/8 ratchet, not a 1/4 inch ratchet. So here's a old 3/8 Craftsman ratchet that I have. Again, you just put that right on, fits on. So now if I want to use the 11/16 that I have here, I can slide that on. But now if I want to swap over, the same as every other flip socket, to the 13/16, I can then pull that off, flip it over. So I got two different socket sizes there. Now as far as these bigger sockets, you can see that's 3/8 drive. You're not going to be able to use these on these flip socket shafts. These are only going to be for the ones that will fit on the 1/4 inch. So basically the 3 sizes I have in this kit, those are the only ones that are going to work on the flip socket shafts. And I'm sure it's because if you were to use this in an impact with a shaft like this on some kind of a fastener that's this large, you're probably going to end up causing some damage. So basically these are only going to be usable with the 1/4 inch flex shafts or the 1/4 inch flip socket shafts. Once you get to the smaller sizes, you can't use the 3/8 adapter with this. So it's kind of, in my opinion, not a good thing on Klein to have done it in this way, because now with this set, with the ratchet, I at least get this adapter right here. I think they should have thrown in this 1/4 inch adapter with this set along with the 3/8 adapter so that I could use all these on a ratchet, because right now if I only owned this set right here, I wouldn't be able to use it on my 1/4 inch ratchets. I wouldn't be able to use any of these flip sockets unless I found a way to buy one of these, or I ended up having a ratchet that took a bit holder that I could put a flip socket shaft in. So it would have been nice, in my opinion, if Klein would have gave you both of these with this set right here, again, so that you could use all these sizes. Because basically from 14 and 12 millimeter down, and then from a 1/2 inch and 9/16 down, you really can only use them on the flip socket shafts in this set. You can't use it on a ratchet unless you go and get yourself one of these. But yeah, guys, that's my Klein Tools tool haul. Again, I'm not going to go in great detail on these sets, plus there's bunches of videos out on those. I'm kind of late to the game of picking some of these up. These were just things that I didn't want to pick up and order until I saw some in the store or saw somebody else's videos. I got to get that socket down in there just right. But nice set, in my opinion. Would have been nice, again, like I said, if they gave you one of these with it. So it's kind of, you got to buy a combination of things. Maybe they'll sell those individually later as well. That's the hope anyways. But again, I'm just letting you know that they are available. All these flip sockets are now available on Amazon if you want to go pick those up. Save yourself a little bit of money on some of these sets, like this one in particular, a little bit cheaper on Amazon than it is at Lowe's. But let me know in the comments below if you've got any of these sets, which one's your favorite set so far. Maybe you picked up even some different sets like the pass-through and things like that. That might be my little next option, is to buy that 1/4 inch pass-through set. I still haven't picked it up. Also, let me know if that 8 and 10 combination or the 7 and 8 combination, which one of those two is going to be the most useful for you. Drop that in the comments below. As always, again, I'll put links down in the description for these. I hope this video was useful in some way. Hope it's interesting. Hope it helps you out to find the tools that's going to help you in your job. That's always the goal. But as always, stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.